I don't know, line L. And let's put point A on it. And we're gonna have a point O that's also on the line. Okay, and we're going to dilate from center O with a scale factor of 4. Okay. So just like we did with the rays and we had the scale factor of 2, you can, because we're going bigger, you can use your compass. Take your metal point of your compass, put it on your center point, which is O, and put your pencil on A. And since it's a scale factor of 4, I'm going to go 1. Wait, actually this is 1, right? So this is 1. This would be 2. So I need to put a line there. There's 2. Okay, and from that line, that little hash mark that I put, I lift up and I place my compass point there. Here's going to be 3. Okay, and then I lift up, put my compass point on that last hash mark, and now there's 4. Okay. The important piece here is to keep in mind that you count this original as 1. So that's 1. Then the next one is 2. Okay. One last drawing. We're going to dilate a shape. Okay, so let's draw a square. Now let's draw a triangle. We're going to draw a triangle. It's a small right triangle. Okay, and we're going to have a center point that's out here. We're going to call it O. And we're going to call this triangle A, B, C. Okay. All right, so when you're dilating a figure, what you have to do first is take your ruler and connect the center point to all the vertices of that shape. So we're going to take O and we're going to create a ray that goes through A. We're also going to create a ray that goes through B. And create a ray that goes through C. Just like that. This time we're going to dilate by a scale factor of 3. Okay, so just like we did with the rays and then the line that we just did right now, you're going to take your compass and we're going to start with the ray that goes through A. It goes from O and through A. And we're going to measure that original segment right here. Okay? Just like that. And we're dilating by a scale factor of 3. So this part is 1. We lift up, place the compass on A. There's 2. Make a little bitty hash mark. Then lift up and place your compass on that hash mark, and there's 3. So A prime is right there. And you do the same thing for B and C as well. B is a little bit longer, and it looks like I might have to extend my line a little bit so that B prime will have somewhere to go. Okay. So make sure you reset your compass for each segment that you measure. So I'm doing OB now. So there's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Okay. And when you finish with OB, go ahead and do OC. So you're gonna have to reset your compass. Are you done with all 3? There's 2. And make sure you set up carefully so you get as accurate of a dilation as possible.
So the third one is gonna be B prime.
On this line?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this was 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I did the same thing with C. I did 1, 2, 3. And there's C prime. And then your last step is to connect your points to make your dilated triangle. And there you go. A triangle 3 times the size of the original.